Hello everyone, so today we are making jollof rice for dinner. I went ahead to fry my onions, and then once it was fried for about 30 seconds, I added my ginger garlic paste and fried it for that same time. Then I went ahead to add my stew base for the jollof rice, which I had already made earlier and defrosted. Then I'm going to go in with the seasoning, stir on that and let it just boil for a second. Then I will add my parboiled rice. And have you subscribed yet? If you haven't subscribed, because we have a lot of goodness in here for you that you will enjoy. And yeah, once I added that, I went ahead to make sure that I mixed everything, and then I added a bit of water just to cook that to perfection. I covered it for some time, and then I went ahead to mix it again so that the water will not just be on the surface, but everything should mix properly. Okay, and yeah, that was what I went ahead to do. And once everything was mixed just like this, I added my frozen vegetable, which was carrot, and then I added about a tablespoon of butter, cover that to steam for a minute, and then I'm going to mix everything in to the jollof rice so that it is properly mixed and it's ready for us to enjoy. Okay, yeah, look at how good that's already looking. And once that was done, I covered it again for about a minute, and then it was time to serve. Guys, look at how moist and delicious this jollof rice is looking. And I'm going to serve that with some salad, which is basically cucumber, lettuce, and some carrot. And everything was all ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're going to try this. It's very easy, and those that eat meat, you just put it by the side. It's not like I don't eat meat, but yeah. I hope you enjoy watching this. Please don't forget to share. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.